What's up, guys? So a little update on the TC. Getting a little rattling noise in the drive belt area. Check it out. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking water pump maybe, but I think I'm gonna jack it up, take off the belt, and I'm gonna start spinning the pulleys, see which one's, you know, the problem child. I don't want to risk being a bad water pump, you know. And yeah, taking the belt off is pretty easy. I'll show you guys how I do it. I don't really see how this is done, how I do it on YouTube. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got one of these kits to help out pull the belt or leave the tensioner. It's something with a short socket because I'm going to be dealing with just such a tight space. It's pretty tight up in there. You can get in there with a breaker bar and a regular socket, but it's going to take some wiggling around. I've done it before, but it's a pain in the butt. So yeah, it's going to be a 19 millimeter. Yeah, short socket really helps. Okay. Alright, there's the socket right there. I just pull it back. What I do is water pump. Water pump is right. See, you see my finger? Yeah, right there. Right there, right next to this. Okay. You pull the belt off the water pump because the water pump has a smooth pulley. You just pull it off. Pull it off real easy, and that's how you basically put it back on. And I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so I got the belt off, so, and it feels like there's some play. Yep, there's play in the water pump. I gotta change that out. Good thing I could feel it while I'm just, you know, bending it, pulling it back and forth. There's play, and I hear a little bit of noise in there as well. So it has a new thermostat, OEM thermostat. This is a Duralast water pump. It's only been there for like 2 years, and about 20,000 or like 15,000 miles. Right, it's just been city driving basically, and it's pretty new cooling in there, so it'll be a pretty quick fix. It's the lifetime warranty water pumps, and I might as well replace it. I mean, it's free, I guess, but okay. Yeah, and the belt's pretty new as well, so alright, gotta visit AutoZone and get a new pump. Let's put this belt back on. Okay, alright, since the belt is over on top of the power steering and the alternator on top, you grab this belt, loop it around the power steering over the tensioner up top. Okay, and try to get it over that. There you go. And under the tensioner, over the crank pulley. Okay. And the last is going to be the water pump. Right here. Okay, let's get back on top. All right, so we got a bunch of slack down there. So at the alternator, right under the pulley, you know, push your finger towards the water pump. Yeah, you see the belt moving. You want to use the pulley as well, pushing that. I don't know if you could see the belt right there. Yeah, you can tell it's pretty tight. There you go. Okay, and then we'll grab the tensioner back there and slip the rest of the belt onto the water pump. Okay, I'm gonna pull this down, push this down, pull the tensioner down, so it gives me enough clearance to slip that belt over the water pump. Over the water pump, again, it's really easy because it's just smooth pulley. You don't have to wrestle it with any of the other pulleys like the alternator. So yeah, you just push the belt over that. I can't really do it because my hands are occupied. So okay, I hope that helps, guys.